Okay, so we have a kite on number 4, chapter 6 review. And here's your kite. It says there's 3 foot. There's the height of the top triangle. 6 foot is the height of the bottom triangle. Then you have 4 foot on each side. It says when you open the box, you discover a tear in the kite's fabric, so you decide to buy new fabric to place over the entire frame. If you're going to put fabric over the whole thing, is this going to be perimeter or area? Area. So we need to find the area of this figure. So what do we have here that we have a formula for? What is it? Triangles. You have a top triangle and a bottom triangle here. So the top triangle, you could do the area of the top triangle plus the area of the bottom triangle. What's the area of a triangle? The formula? Half of the base times height. So we'll do the base times the height and then divide it by 2 for both of these. Okay, what's the base of this top triangle? What is the, we have a 4 here to 4 here.
8 feet.
From here to here? How far is it? 8? 8 feet. There's 4 plus 4, so the base of this is 8 feet long. 8 feet by the height of the top one is 3. That will be divided by, I started with 4. Divided by 2. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24, and then divided by 2 is 12. And these were in feet, so this is 12 square feet for the top. That's not the end of it though. The bottom, the base will be 8 again, right? The height of the bottom one? 6. So we have 8 times 6 divided by 2. So we have 48 divided by 2? 24. Okay, so the area of the whole kite will be 12 plus 24, right? The top plus the bottom? 36 what? Square feet, feet squared. So there's our area. That's how much fabric. Yeah, 9 feet high. You'd probably be able to get way up there and still see it. Okay, the B part says you also decide to buy gold ribbon to line the perimeter of the kite. How much ribbon must you buy? It kind of helped you know what you need when it said the perimeter of the kite, right? You need the perimeter. Did it tell you how far it is around any of this? This didn't give you any of the outside numbers, did it? What do we know about right triangles that we can figure out the outside numbers? Pythagorean theory. See, if this is a right triangle, if this is 3 and this is 4, this is one of those that's a very common one. It's a 3, 4, 5, but we'll do the work to show how we got it. To get this number, it's going to be the same here, 3, 4. So let's do the Pythagorean theory to show what this number is here. This is the B. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. This is our A and B, our 3 and 4. That's our legs. We're finding the hypotenuse. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared equals our X on here. 3 squared, 9. 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16 will equal X squared. So we have 9 plus 16 is 25, right? 25 is something squared. When you do the square root of 25, what times itself is 25? That's 5. So that's how we get the 5 here. So we know this is 5 and this will be 5. Now we need to do this one here, the 4 and 6, to get this number. It probably won't be a perfect number, but we'll work on it. Okay, we'll have 4 squared plus 6 squared equals our hypotenuse squared. 4 squared, 4 times 4, 16, 6 times 6, 36 equals c squared. 16 plus 36, 52. That's not a perfect square. When you take the square root of it, it's not going to be a whole number. So you can do it on a calculator, and we'll use the first few numbers that comes out on it. 7.211, 7.211. Okay, so this will be 7.211 and this one, 7.211. So we have the 4 sides. 2 of the 7.211s and 2 of the 5s. So we'll go 7.211 plus 7.211 plus 5 plus 5. So what do we get there? About 24 or 25? .422. 422. And these were in feet, so we know these came out in feet. So that's how many feet it is around it. That's how much ribbon needs to be bought. That many 24 feet of ribbon. And it doesn't tell us how much any of this costs, so we don't know the cost of all this stuff, but if it told you how much this fabric cost, you would have multiplied it to see how much the fabric would have cost. If it would have told you how much the ribbon cost per foot, you would have just had to multiply it. Okay, number 5. We have a pretty big drawing here. You're in the process of building a new home, and the architect sends you the following floor plan for your approval. Okay, so we got this big old floor plan. Got the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom A, and the bath A. Here we have a hall that says it's 3 feet wide. Down below the kitchen we have bedroom B, and we have bath, oh, okay, this one is bath 1. This wasn't an A, this was bath 3. Okay, then we have bedroom C, which is a real big bedroom, and we have a really big bath. This must be the master. Okay, from here to here we have 22 feet. We have a length here of 7 feet. Okay, we have a 15 on the bedroom here, 19 across, 22 here, 18 here. Of course, this will be 22 again. This is not exactly the same here. I had that moved over too far. This one is 17. This one is 19. And this one is 7 and a 15 here. We have a couple more. 17 here, 7 here. So if we want to put these on the outside, we'll have 19, 17, and 7. Okay, now that we have the drawing, we'll go to the next video for the things we have to figure on it.